RPR, big benefit, because that was what the thing you asked. I think our contract forms are huge.
Sure.
MLS obviously is huge. I think having access to the attorneys at the legal hotline, I think that's kind of a big deal. If you are concerned about something that's going on, you can call the Texas Realtors legal hotline and ask questions.
Any kind of real estate? Really?
Now, they're not going to give
I
you
don't know if I knew it. Lizzie she went through a whole list of all the things that you need to know as a realtor, right?
Yeah.
Realtor. And I don't know. I'm sure legal hotline was on the list, but I like that one too.
Legal hotline's a big deal.
Okay.
And for me personally, I think you get a huge benefit by just plugging in, right? I mean, if you don't suit up and show up in your business, and I mean, you should be networking with people outside of real estate to build your business, but you need to network with people inside your business, because that's where you learn about all this kind of stuff.